Today, we will talk about classical economics, the dominant school of thought for economics in the 18th and 19th centuries. Classical economics is the dominant school of thought for economics in the 18th and 19th centuries. Scottish economist Adam Smith is considered the progenitor of classical economic theory. Other notable contributors to classical economics include David Ricardo, Thomas Malthus, and Robert Jacques Turgot, John Stuart Mill, and Jean-Baptiste Say. Classical economics is based on self-regulating democracies and capitalistic market developments. This theory emerged as an alternative to the monarchic government policy system that was common before the rise of classical economics. It became closely associated with economic and political freedom. Classical economic theory developed after the birth of Western capitalism and the Industrial Revolution. The earliest classical economists provided the best attempts to explain capitalism's inner workings, focusing on theories of value, price, supply, demand, and distribution. The majority favored free trade and competition among workers and businesses. Classical economics had evolved by the late 19th century, but it was challenged by the writings of Karl Marx and later by John Maynard Keynes. Marxian economics made very few lasting contributions to economic theory, but Keynesian economics advocated for government intervention in economic affairs and replaced classical economics as the dominant paradigm. Adam Smith's Wealth of Nations, released in 1776, highlights some of the most prominent developments in classical economics. His revelations centered around free trade and the concept of the invisible hand, which explained the forces of demand side and sell side in the market to reach price and production equilibrium. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. Classical economic theory was the dominant school of thought in the 18th and 19th centuries, associated with economic and political freedom. 2. Self-regulating democracies and capitalistic market developments form the basis for classical economics. 3. Adam Smith's 1776 release of The Wealth of Nations highlights some of the most prominent developments in classical economics. 4. Classical economics focused on theories of value, price, supply, demand, and distribution. 5. Classical economics was replaced by Keynesian economics, which advocated for more government intervention. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.